Let's just keep rolling right along. We finished India. Let's come down to Israel's numbers then. Okay. What did Israel's numbers look like yesterday? Oh, fantastic. Israel, thanks so much for the 19 views yesterday. I really appreciate 19 likes to go along with those 19 views, okay? I also want to take the time to invite you to Dave's Data Analytics, my Twitch stream tonight. That's 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time, East Coast time. 8 p.m. New York time tonight for Dave's Data Analytics channel on Twitch. It's all about data wrangling, data visualizations, and data analytics. 8 p.m. Dave's Data Analytics channel on Twitch, a live stream on Twitch. Okay, so let's come over here now. Let's run these numbers here. Interesting. Okay, okay, Israel. Here we go. Here's we currently have 1.34 million cases, 8,148 deaths. If you look at Israel, your cases for the year, you can see that your cases have for 2020 have passed 2020, and your deaths for 2020 have passed deaths for 20 COVID-19 deaths. If you take a look at the numbers here, overall your numbers are not looking too bad. I mean, you had this little spike back over here uh, on January 27th, 11,934 deaths per single day. But then you had this huge declining trend for spring and most of the summer. We're talking, maybe low triple digits, double digits, all the way to July. Then you had this big spike back over here in July on January the 8th, on September the 8th, 22,291 cases. But again, then your numbers fell back down again almost as quick as they went up. So currently, your average, as of 11/16, you're averaging 452 cases per day. On 11/15, you had 591 deaths. And what about the case deaths? Okay, you can see, Israel, your death spiked on January 27th to 92 deaths. Then you had this big, long declining pattern, spring and summer, single, double-digit deaths. A lot of. Then in July, we had this spike back up here again. Hopefully, he'll send us over to another channel. Okay, so then you can see, sorry, trying to keep one eye on a jazz channel on Twitch. Hopefully since this channel is ending, he'll be raiding another jazz channel. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Well, Okay, so anyway, sorry about the bit of distraction on my point there, on my part there. September the 8th, we had 60, the deaths are back up to 56 for a single day before dropping back down on November the 15th at 0 deaths, with an average number of deaths of 5 per day. Look at the weekly cases. You can see this long declining pattern, crazy low cases between, most of the spring and summer. Then in September, this big spike back up again, even above these two spikes here, before the falling all the way back down to below, 10,000 cases per week here. So anyway, you can see this here now. You can see that this long declining pattern down to here. Long declining pattern down through spring and summer for deaths. Then, like most of the rest of the world, it seems like had this spike up for some reason in September or in July. Now, what caused this spike? Is this Delta variant, or are they? How many of these people were these unvaccinated people possibly, or were they vaccinated people? What caused all these deaths here? This 6 or 8 week period right in here. What caused that? Now, if we take a look at COVID-19 cases by month, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 months in a row you had a decline in COVID-19 cases. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 months increased, and now last month the numbers fell back down again. What about deaths? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months in a row you had a declining COVID-19 deaths, Israel. Then you had 1, 2, 3 month increase, followed by last month being starting a new declining pattern. Okay, Israel. Okay, so that takes care of your numbers for today. I have lunch. This is going to carry over into my live Twitch stream, but we'll see what happens.